Hey guys, it's Bear Grylls here, and welcome to this amazing jungle biome. The place where I love to spend my vacations. In the jungle biome, it tends to get a pretty humid temperature. It gets almost around 90 degrees every day. So I'm probably just gonna take off my clothes. Alright guys. Let's go see how the jungle works. Well, guys, as you can see, the life of a rainforest is pretty vegetation. A lot of vegetation right here. It's a whole bunch, just crazy, filled with vegetation. And it just grows so rapidly and so crazy. Just look at that. Oh my god. Oh my god, it just, wow, that is the craziest thing. It just grew up out of nowhere. Oh my god. Oh, it's crazy. It's crazy. Here we go. Just another view for all of you. Yeah. Here comes my magic. Oh. One of the best things in the world is to go hunting for some treasure that the ancient Mayans left back. Let's find out. Oh my god, I found it. I found the ancient treasure. Oh my god. Oh, oh, oh my god. Ah, ah, ah. I can make me. I got one. Ah, oh my god. Oh, look at all the treasure. You know, as you can as you can see, the aquatic life in the rainforest rivers are very crazy. There are so many fish, so many different types of fish. Oh, and rocks. Yes, so many. Look at all of them everywhere. Everywhere. Okay. Oh, in the rainforest, it tends to do this a lot. It tends to just start raining everywhere. It's crazy. We should get inside the neighbor's house. Here we go. Oh, oh, oh. I did that so badly. It's a great place to relax. Oh. Alright. Do you want me to sit down on the couch? I'm a dirty old troll sitting on my couch. I'm a dirty old troll. It's getting a little chilly, must I say. I have to go change. See you guys in a sec. Hey guys, I just changed. It's Bear Grylls here, and I drink my own piss. I'm a billionaire from going out in the wild and eating all kinds of bugs. I mean, look, boom! I'm a rich mother lover, must I do say. Look at all the snakes, oh my god. Oh, they're coming. Oh, they're so, they're crazy. They're coming to eat me. Too bad I'm in my house. There are so many snakes in the wild. Oh, look, it's an ocelot. Oh, one of the very weird looking cats, I must say, of the jungle. They are fast, aren't they? They are fascinating. I wonder how good they taste. Yeah! Die, kitty! Die! 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 They don't taste very good. Whoa, what is that? What is that? That is the craziest thing in the world. Whoa. I wonder what it looks like on the inside. Let's find out. Yeah! Oh, we duplicated. This is the craziest alien thing I've ever seen. Die! Oh! Oh, it just drops drugs. Little green pills. Oh well. Let me take them. Let me take some. Oh, it tastes so good. Look! It's the lovely tribes of the jungle. Oh, they're sick and they're biting me. They're biting. No, no, no. Get away. Get away. Fatality.